In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Windows taskbar not showing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first thing you want to do is press on your Windows key and search for taskbar. Open up the taskbar settings. If you cannot even press the Windows key, another thing you can do is right click here, go to display settings, and from there you want to head back and search for the taskbar up here. In here you want to make sure that you have locked the taskbar. You want to make sure that these are turned off, because if these are turned on, you can see it can hide itself. So make sure that these are turned off. Then what you want to do is make sure that you have show badges on taskbar, because if you turn this off, it can ruin these down here and it can cause some errors with some of these. So make sure these are turned on. After that, if it still doesn't work, you can search for CMD. So press Windows key, CMD, right click, run as an administrator. From in there, if you still cannot press down here, you can press Windows key R to search for run and type in cmd.exe. Now once you have it open, what you want to type is sfc /scan now. Press enter and let it start the scanning. Now you should wait for this to be 100% and then it's going to look for any errors within your PC. Now I'm not going to wait because it can take a few minutes. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to close it down, but you should wait until it's 100%. Now if it still doesn't work, the last thing I suggest you to do is simply just restart your PC and see if this fixes the error. Just press Windows button in here, boom, restart. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.